So here's the final harvest. Of the day. I think that's a pretty good yield of potatoes. About a handful. I got a couple of them this size. They're not too bad, but I don't know. I got this one red one. I don't know if that's normal to get a red potato out of the rustics, but yeah, these are the very first two that I got out here, so not bad. I guess if I do say so myself. I'll take all the rest of the scraps and I'll bag them, and that's all my leftover dirt. I'll probably just put it back into some compost and reuse it, amend it, and reuse it again. Well, please comment and let me know if that's normal to have a red potato out of the batch like that. Thanks. Yeah, there it is.